Hey, maybe you decided to switch to plant-based diet, or maybe your doctor said you need to eat more vegetables, fruits, more grains, and you have a lot of questions inside of you, how to cook it, how to make it tasty and nutritious. So here's my Tuesdays videos where I'm gonna be sharing my thoughts, my recipes, and my experiences throughout 5 years of experience in plant-based diet and in professional cooking. And today we're going to be starting with a simple bowl that's going to be a base of quinoa, and on top we are going to be making 3 different types of cooking. So that's raw products, that's marinated products, and that's cooked products. And of course, to sum everything up, we're going to be having a sauce. So without further ado, let's get started.
To begin with, to boil the quinoa, we need to know the ratio. So the ratio is 2:1. For example, 200 milliliters of water and 100 milliliters of quinoa. Make sure to put some salt in boiling water, and make sure to rinse quinoa before cooking it because it has that bitter aftertaste. And we put quinoa in already boiling water and simmer for 5 minutes on very low heat and leave it turned off. Next, for the sauce, in preheated pan we add olive oil, 2 cloves of sliced garlic, pinch of salt. After cooking 1 minute, we add sweet potatoes. The smaller the cubes, the faster it cooks. Next, for the spices, we use half a teaspoon of smoked paprika and turmeric, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Let it cook to activate the spices. Then we add 1 sliced paprika and cover everything with water. Let it simmer for 5 minutes till all the vegetables are soft. Add it to the blender when it's cooled and add 1 generous spoon of coconut cream. And of course, always taste everything so you know if you need more salt. In my case, I needed more salt. For cooked toppings, in preheated pan add olive oil, firm soy tofu, and fry it until it's crispy. For the spices, we simply add dried dill and salt. For second topping, it's fried mushrooms. Make sure to fry mushrooms on both sides. Add some salt, black pepper, and balsamic vinegar. For marinated element, in a jar add chickpeas, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, pinch of salt, Worcester sauce, and olive oil, and make sure to thoroughly shake it so everything is well dissolved. And for raw products, we will be using tomatoes. I'm slicing them in such like triangle shapes, as you can see here. Preparing paprika, chop off the top and the bottom, then slice in and remove everything from the inside. Make sure to remove all the white stripes because they provide the bitterness to the paprika. To prevent any kind of waste, just fold the top and remove the stem. And also we are chopping it off in the triangles the same sizes as tomatoes. If your quinoa after cooking is still bitter, you can add everything to the sieve and wash it off with the hot water, so you can already enjoy your quinoa without heating it second time. And for the plating, it's up to you. This is my example how I would do.
So there you go, that's one simple dish for you. Enjoy. Bye bye.